Hi there, and welcome to your gardening journey. Are you ready to grow your first crops but unsure where to start? Stick with me because today I'm going to break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps so you can grow your confidence along with your garden. And hey, don't go anywhere because I've got bonus tips at the end to help your plants thrive like never before. Before we dive in, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who want to start their gardening adventure. Let's grow together! The first step is knowing where you live, your planting zone or climate zone. This helps you pick crops that thrive in your area. Search online for a planting zone map or ask at a local garden center. Did you know that even neighboring towns can have different zones? This one detail could make or break your garden's success. It's tempting to go big, but trust me, start small. Choose 1 or 2 areas to plant. Raised beds or containers are perfect for beginners because they're easier to control. Why small? You'll find out in a minute how this sets you up for a thriving garden. For beginners, simplicity is key. Start with crops that grow quickly and are forgiving, like tomatoes, lettuce, radishes, or green beans. These give you a quick harvest and a huge confidence boost. Guess which crop is practically foolproof and also tastes amazing? Stay tuned for the answer. Choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight. Also, think about how much space your crops need. Leafy greens grow compact, but squash and tomatoes love to sprawl. Here's a surprising tip. There's one crop that grows well even in small spaces. Find out which one in just a moment. Healthy soil means healthy plants. You can grab a simple soil test kit from any garden center to check your soil's pH and nutrient levels. Adjust as needed with compost or soil amendments. Ever wonder what coffee grounds can do for your garden? I'll reveal that bonus tip soon. Gardens need love, but not too much. Make sure you're ready to water regularly, pull a few weeds, and check for pests. Keep it fun and low stress. Did you know there's a free natural pesticide hiding in your kitchen? I'll share what it is in just a bit. You made it to the bonus tips. Great job! Here's your reward. Sprinkle used coffee grounds around your plants. They enrich the soil and can deter pests. Use a simple mix of water and dish soap as a natural pesticide. Just spray it on the leaves to keep bugs away. Grow herbs like basil or parsley. They're easy, smell amazing, and even repel certain pests. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your own gardening stories or questions below. Together, we can make this gardening journey a success for everyone. See you next time. Happy planting! Subscribe for more gardening tips.